The legendary Simmons drums have created the perfect electric drum set for all drumming levels. But what makes the Simmons Titan 50 the perfect practice kit? Let's have a look and find out, and how it's going to inspire you to pick up your drumsticks or even to pick up playing the drums. Let's go. First, we're gonna dive into everything that's included with the Titan 50, and so everything that you see here is included in that bundle. Now, exclusive to this price point, and I thought this is really cool too, is this 10-inch dual zone snare. And what that means is that you can play ghost notes and you can actually play rim shots as well. Now, these drum sounds are absolutely incredible, so be sure to stick around later and we'll go check out all the different drum sounds and the different songs and practice stuff that they have inside this drum set's module. Also included in the rest of this kit are 3-inch mesh toms and 3 10-inch cymbals. You get hi-hats, you get a ride, and a crash. Now, if you don't feel like that's good enough to get the job done, you can also expand this kit. And you can get a 4th tom and another cymbal as well, so you can play that many more sounds and just have that much more fun. Now, double pedal players, do not worry. If you're looking to get a practice kit to keep it nice and quiet at home, this kick pad is 5 inches, which will accommodate both your beaters if you do have double pedals. If you're just picking up this drum set as a first-time drummer, or you're just looking for something to practice on and you don't have any pedals to begin with, do not worry, because Simmons has also included a single kick pedal. Now, how sick is that? So you don't even have to go out to the store and get one for yourself. You're probably wondering what this thing sounds like, so the next thing we're going to take a look at are the brains and the module of this whole operation going on here. You're going to see exactly why there are some truly beneficial pieces of ingenuity on this drum kit that'll be the perfect, or make this the perfect, practice kit for you or your child at home. Instead of trying to figure out which cable is going to work with this module to connect it to an iPad or a phone, Simmons has actually included a Bluetooth feature. So all you have to do is go to your device and turn on the Bluetooth, and it'll come up as Titan 50, and you can play along to your favorite tracks. You don't have to worry about all the mess of cables or trying to figure out what's going to work. You know Bluetooth works, just turn it on your device and you're ready to go. There's actually this little stand here, so it'll hold your phone or it'll hold your iPad or whatever device you would like to connect to the module. Just one tip though is be very careful, because if you rock out a little too hard, it's going to shift on you and you might have your device fall on the floor, so you're going to have a bad time. Now, do you know what sounds worse than nails on a chalkboard? Well, they're mundane drum sounds that leave you uninspired to actually play and practice the drums. Thankfully, Simmons has these professionally recorded drums by a pro session musician, and they sound incredibly awesome. So let's go through some of the kits and the different sounds on this drum kit that'll leave you laughing and having fun behind the drums. Heavy rock. Modern pop. Metallic. Metallica? Metallic. Americana. Funk booty? Did I read that right? Fusion Club. Sunset Strip. Ooh, that's beefy. Big fat snare. Young Punk. Woo! Metal Star. What? It's a drum and a guitar at the same time. That's fun. 80s gated. Whoa. That's what that reminds me of. Nails? Ooh. Weird. Whoa. Nails. Techno. Whoa. Hip hop. Fun. House rave? India? Whoa.
Don.
What?
Don. Get. Don. 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 Get. Don. 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 Da. Don. Da. Don. Don. Da. Da. Don. 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 Get. Don. 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 Da. Don. Don. Da. Da. Don. Da.
Whoa. Brazil, I got a beat for this. So as you've seen, the Simmons Titan 50 is an absolutely fun piece of equipment. You can do a lot of stuff with it. It's really inspiring, and I really hope you did have fun watching this video and learning more about this drum set. All the different sounds, all the different practice songs, the metronome, the mixing of drums with and without the song, and vice versa, are truly beneficial to all drummers who are learning the drums, or to anyone who's just looking to expand their creativity and have fun behind the drums again. If you don't know what to practice, or you're looking for things to practice, I'm gonna throw a playlist up over here so that you can check it out and better your playing behind the drums. Go ahead, have fun, play the drums. I'll see you in the next video.